a chicken salad. Not chicken in a salad, but a real live chicken salad. These are chicken thighs, seasoned with Badia complete season. So we just had a little taste test. You know it's good, right? Oh, all right. I'm just gonna take it, cut it up however you want to cut it up. Put it in my bowl so I can make my chicken salad. Chicken thighs are very inexpensive, but when I tell you they're good, especially if you cook it well. I cook this in my cast iron pan. You alright? I cook this in my cast iron pan. Oh, I didn't even time it. But it had to be in there for like an hour to 2 hours. Got the cast iron pan from Walmart too. Listen, everything you need Walmart got. Especially when you working with what you working with. Don't be ashamed. Walmart, the thrift store. You can revive a rusted out cast iron. Sure can. There's videos on YouTube on how to do it. Get it how you can. That little piece of chicken fell out. I'll let it merge with that. As I'm cutting, you see ain't no pink. Ain't no pink. Okay? It's fully cooked. Oh yeah, so after you cook it in the oven, you wanna bake it in there around like 375. That's the black people temperature. We put that on 375 for everything. Put it on 375. Leave it in there. You could do 2 hours, you do an hour and 30 minutes. Leave it in there till it look crispy. That's what I say. If it look a little brown like this and it's brown all around the pot, it's done. That's another thing I realized. We don't do timing stuff. We do stuff by taste, by the way it looks. You know? And by smell. We use our senses when we cook. I'm gonna let Marge have that. It's a treat for Marge. Alright. The last few, and we'll get to our onion, red onion. We'll start making a salad. Didn't finish my first step. So after you after it's brown like that in the oven, then you take it out. Let the chicken rest for a little bit. Don't just automatically start cutting on it. Let it rest for 15-20 minutes outside the oven. Because I want to say I took it out the oven, nursed my son, made sure he went to bed good, and now I'm making a salad. So it's still a little warm, but it's not piping hot. And I've learned that from other cooks on YouTube. They all say the same thing. You let your meat rest after it comes out the oven. We did our wick chopping yesterday, so these were $3.99. Thank you, Lord. When I say you gotta be grateful while you're going through, you gotta be grateful. This has been one of the most humbling years of my life. One of the most sobering, and it's drawn me closer in my relationship with God, because listen, it's been plenty of nights where I just be snot nose crying, praying, asking God to guide me, to show me, to all of the things. So if you are facing what I face, you know, having your first child in a different state, whether you have supports or not, because it's being pregnant can sometimes feel extremely lonely, even with supports. You know what I mean? Just know, weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Okay? Alright? So you can weep. Weep on baby. Weep for that night. But in the morning time, get up. And just thank God. Thank God that you were able to get up. You hear me? Because there's some people that ain't able. Okay? Alright, so I thought it was just the Chipotle meal. Then I remembered Dijon mustard. I'm using relish. Greek yogurt. Okay. I'm not gonna put too much of this in here because, yeah. Like I said, the guy was a boxer, so he might have his reason for using it. But it's my house. Alright. So mix it up. That's how much I'm putting in there. That's it. That's it. That's all. Okay. I get a relish. We like relish. So like I said, I don't measure. Even if it's somebody else's recipe, I ain't measuring. Now, Dijon mustard. Okay. I'm about to tear this thing up. You hear me? I'm about to tear this up. I'm gonna cut up an avocado. I'm gonna have me some crack. No, we got wheat. Have you ever heard of wheat potato bread? Oh my God, that is so good. Yeah. I don't remember the guy. I think I saved the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste the link in the description box below. You can feel free to watch that video, make it your own. You know what I'm saying? Like when it comes to recipes, you can follow them step by step, but make them your own. You know, I'm gonna say this right here, baby, the bomb. You hear me? When I take my little section out, I'm gonna add a little bit more. See, he don't like spice. That's why I kept it easy. I'm gonna add some more that tastes good. Okay, that was yummy. So I'm gonna cut me up an avocado and have that with it. This is delicious. This is gonna be a summer staple for us. Like, yeah, instead of tuna noodle salad, I'm gonna make that one day too. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be a summer staple. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas, anything you want to see me do or whatever, I will do it. Stay tuned. I got a lot of videos I'll be recording, a lot of things I'll be uploading, showing you how to make do with what you got. Okay, you got to be grateful for the here and now. And yeah, until next time, I holla.